On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto.
Good morning. What's going on, other gang? Well, we got the sample of the merch. We have put it through the wash. I'm pretty satisfied with this. I think I'm going to shrink the OG down a bit. You see the OG here? It's pretty comfy. I got a little otter on the handle here. Good morning, everybody. What's going on? And then we got the gang on the back. Now, I still have to add some otters to the picture. To all of you people who want to be on the picture, you got to send me your picture of you as an otter. I got to add Alexander G and Army Piper. However, this is what it looks like so far. I'm undressing for you this morning. Pretty sick. I am Batman. I think it's pretty sweet. I'm going to make one that's just the OG and embroidered, so it's like less obvious. I mean, the gang is where it's at, though. We're dumping on Bitcoin. Short stream today. And I got an appointment. Here we're at here now. I guess I'm gonna have to like buy my mods all sweaters. But good morning, everybody. Welcome. Good morning. Good morning. Getting a little bit of a dump here. I got a new partnership with Bitunix for you guys. So we did Kyle did a deep dive on their liquidity pools and the reserves. And they've gotten the Kyle approval, which is a big plus, okay? So Liquidity seems good. Been trading on here. Small size. Let's just try it out here. We got gifted a demo account. Let's just get along here. Okay, 50x leverage, isolated, clicky. Let's go. Let's see what it does here. Okay, do not show me this because you're gonna get in my way here. Okay, so trying to get long here. Order in the books. We'll see what pops off here. Just testing it out. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. Today's inflation day. It's going to be a good one, okay? Are you guys excited? Then we got Jerome Powell speaking after. My God. Are you guys excited for that or what? Not getting filled here. Maybe we'll zoom in here. Could slide it nice and slidey, okay? Ooh. Slidey is good. I like slidey. What's this about here? Okay. Yeah. Okay, confirm. Enter TP trigger price. Interesting. So you have to enter your TP and your stop loss in here. That's pretty good. We'll go 96,000. Does it make me do my stop loss as well? Oh, man, stop losses. Well, we don't use stop losses here. Does that every time. I'm sure I can change this. Off the books. Confirm. Close. So yeah, Bitunix, new exchange. Links down below if you do want to use the link. That's up to you guys. But let's jump into the actual charts here. I like it. It's good. Little pop off here, pushing on up. So for Bitcoin today, the best thing is to stay out of this. Let's be honest. Come on, friends. How are we all doing this morning? Are we all having a good day? Make sure you guys are saying good morning. More executive orders from Trump today. Didn't Trump buy more Ethereum? Crazy. Chantel. Happy hump day, Chantel. Are you going there already with me, Chantel? I'm kidding. It's too early for jokes like that. Crypto Caveman, what's going on? Paul Caruso. What's going on? King Beaver, Lord Otter, Master of Marsupials. Let's go. Yes, my pronouns are Lord Otter and King Beaver. Okay? Splish splash, mofo. What's going on, Jesse? Good luck, Crypto. Gilly, Tony Soprano. What's going on, Army Piper in the chat. Orlando, lucky deal. I am going to be finishing up after the news, so I would say 8:45, 8:50, depending on price action. Okay, we'll look to FOMO in at the top here. Okay, Mo2, what's going on? Good morning to you, Crypto CD, BSM. Good morning to you. Forget about it. Let's get after it relentlessly. Full moon, pumpy mood, everyone. How are we all feeling? It is a full moon. I want to hear you howl. How would you put a howl in text? That is the question. Good morning to those coming from Piper. Good morning. Andrew Cameron, good morning to you. Jeffrey Stone Cipher, Jesse, good luck. BC Port Corp needs an Otter Gang trucker hat. Let's go. That's awesome. Jonathan Schaefer in the chat. Rashad. Jesse needs an Otter Gang sweater. Would love to see you having one, man. Okay, I was thinking of an Otter Gang snowmobile because we're going to get like 1.5 feet of snow tonight at 3 o'clock. We're getting like a dumping of snow. So get your, maybe an Otter Gang shovel, a really good sturdy shovel with the good old scraper at the bottom, you know, a quality shovel. Good morning, Alexandra G. Now we are going to add Alexandra G. Now, I had a template here of how we were going to add it. It was on my Solana chart. Don't ask me why, okay? Where did I put it? Anyways, you guys know what Alexander G's emoji looks like. Come on. I ain't got to tell you that. It's in the bloody chat. It's in the bloody chat. It looks like this, okay? Luke Zaldana, have a blessed day. Curvis UK, good morning to you. Jesse, good luck. The bird next door. I am going to try and take a trade before market, before. See, that long wouldn't have worked. Good job. We're still getting familiarized with the exchange. Very important thing to do. Okay? It's just probably interface settings and trade settings. Make sure it's on isolated, all that stuff. Rolling over here. Is anybody in a trade going into this? Because I do suggest you might want to close that trade. Looks smart. Bird next door. Thanks, man. Darren does things. Good morning. Pardon my French. Effing fire. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Cool sweater. Go, go, Otters. Go, go, Otter Gang. Yeah, that's the one. Good morning, Massey. Good morning to you, Shemetris. Shake. Good morning to you, Alexander G. Jonathan Schaefer. Buck Wayne C. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you're having a good morning. Let me know if you guys are in a trade. Tony Soprano, Cal, can you slide them? High inflation, Powell talks BS. We're coming back to 90. Hee. Unclick. Oh. How do you everybody's trying to howl in the chat. Let's go. Make sure you take your TP to a limit order. Yeah, we gotta get that all set up properly for everybody. But yeah, happy to work with Bitunix on a sponsorship. We do have a deposit bonus and all that stuff down below. But yeah, awesome to add another KYC exchange. Obviously, we've been using BloFin, and BloFin's still great. You can still use BloFin, but I just wanted to add another one. I think it was Sniper's Nightmare complaining about BloFin, so now he has another option. Oh, man. We want to give you options, but I'm very, very, very picky with exchanges, okay? Because I started on FTX, man. Nice. You don't need to have a stop loss on Bitunix. They just have a little tab for take profit and stop loss. You can quick drag your targets you want. Awesome, man. Awesome. Yeah. Breaking news. The Leafs suck. Can't even get first in their division. This is so true, username. Almost as bad as the Red Wings. Good old hockey banter. Love it. Good morning, buddy. Username Alexandra G. Jeffrey Stone Cipher Trent Brock. I almost said block airdropper. Darren does things. Good to see you. Spoon. Just call me Al. Good to see you, Al. Jim Hill. What's going on? Wayne C. Jesse. Good luck. Mo 2. Oh. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen to all my Germans and their Krakenwagons. Let's look at the full moon chart. We can look at the full moon chart. It's just a circle, guys. It's just a circle. Okay, I'm very well aware of the moon pumps. Okay, it's like a 60% hit rate. Okay, if we're going off of when the moon starts and yada yada yada. Okay, so we got a new moon or a full moon pump. Okay, full moon pump, new moon dump. As you can see, they're decent confluence. Okay, we're not saying, this one kind of a nothing burger, this one kind of a nothing burger, this one pretty decent, this one pretty decent, this one pretty decent, this one really good. Okay, so it's just a layer, right? It's actually interesting though. Back in the day, okay, on the history of trading, they used to only trade off of like moon cycles, astrology, and like all that stuff. So that's what they did. That was the start of TA, like horoscopes for men was astrology, and they used to use that because it's emotions, right? You got the tide coming in and out, and people are FOMOing and, all the emotions. Just go on crypto Twitter. You can see how emotionally damaged people are. It's quite sad, to be honest. It's just a sea of people overexposed to altcoins. That's what it is. A little push up here, so we'll see how this rolls today. I mean, data in 16 minutes. Okay, a Dumparelli yesterday. So we rolled over. We didn't take a trade yesterday, which was smart. I mean, we could have gotten off on the rollover, the breakdown. Okay, that was available, but we didn't jump in on the short. But then we had a nice bounce off of our liquidity grab in here. We didn't fully come for our low in here. So for me, that was this is still an option before going out. However, we are finding some support in here. Not the greatest. Okay, we could be looking for something like this, but not the greatest. Bear pennant, right? So can we break down, or will we continue to push up? It's always a good question to ask. So we'll see what we get today. We're looking for a trade, okay? Before we got half an hour, we would like to take a trade going into this. We'll see. We do have the data here that we are prepared to watch. Core inflation rate month over month, and then Chair Powell testimony, okay? And we'll send you over to Piper or Eric Crown or whoever's doing that there. It's going to be a short stream today. I'm sorry about that, but I do have an appointment today at 9:15, so I am pushing it for you guys. Obviously. I'd rather be here trading, making money than being anywhere else in the world, except, hanging out with my son. My son, that is the best gift known to man, is spending time with your family. Okay, V-shaped recovery coming in here. Nice push. Nice push. Where's VWAP? Of course. You guys didn't tell me VWAP bounce? Guys, what's going on? Why didn't you tell me VWAP bounce? Guys, we're pumping. You didn't tell me VWAP bounce. I was ready to take this. Oh, man. Good morning, everybody. J-Mag, good morning to you. Jonathan Schaefer. Woo! Good to see everybody in here. Thank you for being here. You say overexposed to alts. Why are you attacking me, bro? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's just a dark rock circling the earth. Yeah, I guess so. It looks like cheese, though. That's why my wife likes it. My wife's given up dairy. She's absolutely pissed off about that one. My poor wife. Lorelai, my children are in e-learning today due to the storm. Oh, that's actually convenient. I mean, we used to have snow days, and they were some of the best days, man. We go tobogganing. In a trade, forgot a stop loss underwater at the moment. Uh-oh. Sniper's nightmare. Got to send you a hoodie, man. Good to see you, man. Be careful. Al Jr., good morning. Jay Violet, good morning. Good to see everybody in here. Thank you so much for being here. I'm sticking to MexC only for now. That's fine. We have a MexC link as well. But I thought we'd get you that non-KYC affiliate. Moon phase are nothing more than a position to angle of the sun and earth. Piper's an astrologist. Love you, Piper, man. Tide happens consistently and has nothing to do with the moon phases. Then why does the tide come in and out with the moon then, Piper? We're going to have don't be mooning me on my live stream. Wick's wife fine 89. What's going on? Good to see you as well. Username Boston does suck, man. I agree with that. I'm not a big Boston fan, especially those Bruins. Okay, coming into the middle of the range here. VWAP bounce. Thanks, guys. Thanks for the VWAP bounce. Thanks for telling me VWAP bounce. It is a bullish moon, and it's already printed, okay? Thanks for telling me. Good to see you all here. Tides is because of gravity. I think like this is the Earth. Okay, so we got the Earth here. We'll put the Earth. Here's the Earth. And then the Earth is spinning. And then there's the so because the Earth is spinning, this is kind of what's happening here. The Earth is spinning. Okay? And this circle here represents the outer circle represents the tides, right? That's my thought. Is that correct? Put a 1 in the chat if that's correct. Okay? I think that's like the best way I can describe it. Is that correct? Let me know. 5. The gravity of the moon. You guys are this chat is out of control. So what's the other? You guys said other here. What's the other piece of merch you guys would want? T-shirt, mug, other. You guys let me know in the chat. The Earth is flat now. That's where we're going. Okay. Barefoot Sailing Adventures knows they're on a boat. Okay, they're on a boat. They know. I didn't say a boot. I said a boat. Okay. A hockey stick, hats, a beanie. Okay. A neon sign, a big OG. We are not doing Crocs. I'll get you an otter butt plug. Yep, an otter butt plug. And you can trade butthole coin. No problem. This is why we clicked this is not for kids. I mean, if your kids are watching in the background, hi kids. Behave. We're trying to pump it for Sniper's Nightmare right now. Beanie, hockey stick hats, neon sign, Crocs. Baseball hat. Okay. Butt plugs. Banana hammock. I think we could do the banana hammock and just put the otter in the front, right? So it looks like you're in a schlong, right? Just put I got it on the wrist here, right? So it's always watching me, if you know what I mean. But if we just put this part on the hammock, right? Just this part. That would be great. Don't you think? That would be that would sell out. That would sell. This is ripping, guys. What is going on with price action right now? This is crazy. It's not really ripping. Zoom out. Zoom out. So we have a sell wall up in here. Order block trying to be tapped right now. Sniper's Nightmare, get out of that damn trade, bro. If you're break even, get out of the trade, please. We are pumping. They're anticipating something. We are ripping to the upside here. We are ripping. We have just put in a new high, coming into some resistance right now. Above VWAP. You guys didn't tell me VWAP bounced, man. I'm kind of upset with you guys. Not going to lie. Volatility coming in. We got 7 minutes till the news comes. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Nice little trigger wave in here. Okay. FOMOing in at the top. Not yet. Coming back down here. Coming back down. Half a position size. Looking to get in. Retest to the highs. Retest to the highs. Looking here. Looking right here. Maybe a little bit higher. Come on, Bitcoin. Come back down. Come back down. Okay, I'm going to take a little stab there in a long. Half a position size in a long. I'm in it. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Push. Push, Bitcoin. Don't be an namby-pamby. Come on, baby. It's now or never, man. We got 5 minutes till news. Come on. Push. Push, Biddy. Come on, baby. No follow through here. Oh, yeah, I'm trading before news. Today is one of those days. Sniper, did you get out of that trade? I'm taking off half there. Okay, this is dangerous. This is dangerous. Taking off half. I've only realized like $20 after fees. Okay, this this is dangerous. Good job, man. Good job. Stop loss break even. Yeah, I'm gonna join you. Let's go. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's go, baby. This is dangerous. Can it push through here? Not going. No, it's not going to go. It doesn't look like it's going to go. It's got to go, man. It's got to go. Don't be an namby-pamby. Okay, maybe I shouldn't be in a trade right now. That's what I'm starting to think. I don't think this is a very wise choice. I'm going to close that out there. Okay, I'm out of the trade. I'm out of the trade. I made like $40. Not even. Wow, $30. Okay. I told you I'd take at least one trade here. Okay. I told you I'd do it. Okay, now we'll look for another one. $30. Gonna pay for my gas this morning. Come on. Good close. Good close so far. Let's wait. News is coming in 2 minutes, okay? This is action packed. A win is a win. That's it. That's like a $50 giveaway right there. Okay? We're out of the trade. MACD is one of the worst indicators in my opinion. Yeah, absolutely. Big old manipulation candle coming back in, retesting the highs here. Thank you, everybody, for being here, smacking up that like button. It's a short stream today. We got 200. Holy smokes, we got almost 300 people in here. 70 likes already. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel. I do appreciate you guys hanging out here. It's going to be a short one today, just like me. We got merch on the way for all you absolute, utterly degenerate people. And we also have a new partnership with Bitunix with a deposit bonus and all that good stuff. So if you do want to sign up with them, the link is down below. You don't have to, but we 40 seconds here. We vet our exchanges very thoroughly. Okay. Like 71 is mine. Thank you, J Violet. Here we go. Here comes the pain, baby. Which way? Up, down, all around. Let me go. Put a 1 in the chat for up. Put a 2 in the chat for down. Put a 1 in the chat for up. Put a 2 in the chat for down. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 1, 2. I think it's gonna go up. I'm in team up. I'm team up right now. Here we go. Down we go. Down we go. Geronimo. Bounce. Bounce, baby. Bounce. Oh my God. It's going down. It's going down. My God. Our data has come in. 3.3. Inflation is going up. 3.3 and 3. It's going up. That is not good news. Rugging everybody. Coming in here. Sweeping the lows. This is not good, man. Okay. Bouncing. No bounce. No bounce. I'm going to fire off along soon. I'm going to fire off along. Can it bounce? Sweeping the lows here. Can it bounce? Let's fire off half a position size. I'm going to go long. I'm going to go long. Half a position size long. Not looking too good, though. Not looking too good. Can we bounce from here? Underwater. Underwater. I don't normally trade this, everybody, but we're trying it. We're trying it. Not such great news, everybody. Big dump rally this morning. Inflation coming in at you hot and ready. All right. Pretty wild. Pretty wild. Okay. Dump in here. I'm probably going to get stopped out. That's fine. That's fine. That's why I don't trade news. This is for entertainment purposes only. Okay. Make sure you're always using a stop loss practice and good risk management. Don't be that namby-pamby who doesn't use a stop loss. Okay, stopped out of that one. That was the entertainment value trade, okay? We'll see if we bounce up. Coming into a key level here. Mitigating the low. Can we mitigate this low? Okay, just tapping that just fine. Okay, looking for a push back up in here. Inflation data coming in hot. My God, that's not good for the market. That's not too good for the market here. Consensus was 2.9%. It came in at 3%. Inflation month over month coming in 0.2% hotter. Hotter. Hot as F. Okay, very hot. Core inflation rate coming in at 3.3. How's the NASDAQ looking? The NASDAQ is reacting not as bad. Weirdly enough, not as bad. I would think we bounce from here. That's my guess. That's my guess. But what a good old whipsaw price action here. Coming down, wrecking the bulls. Can it bounce and continue upwards? We'll have to wait and see. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out with me this morning. We'll see if we do jump into another trade, but a big old wickety to the downside. My God, this is why we stream this, and typically we don't trade this, but you know, you got to have some fun sometimes. Got to have some fun. That is just the name of the game, man. Crypto is in bear mode. VWAP hunting. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. 350 people in here, bringing in the inflation data. Or is it data? That is the question. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. Subscribe if you are new. We have been growing. We are putting on a show, and we are growing. So we are growers and showers most recently. So I do thank you, everybody, for your support. Smashing up those like buttons. Big fake out to the upside, and then a big dump. My God, everybody got rugged there. So the whole crypto world is not liking that. We are down on all of our altcoins here. Yikes. Yikes. Not looking too hot. Okay, not looking too hot. Will we survive? That is the question here. Will Jerome Powell cut, or will he continue to be Jerome Powell? We'll see. This is rolling quite aggressive right now. We also have Jerome Powell's testimony later on. I think 10 o'clock. Big rollover here. Sheesh. Mitigating that low now. That's a good mitigation. Can we bounce from here? That would be nice. No trade yet. Still waiting. Coming into a buy box here. I'm interested. If we bounce back up from here, we could be looking for a long, but is anybody in the short? That's what I want to know. Is anybody in that short? Put a 1 in the chat if you're in the short. Would love to know. Coming into one of our buy boxes here. Big old rollover here. Putting in a lower low here. Can we bounce out of here? This would be probably a nice bull div on a higher term time frame here if we get this in here. Okay. Creeping up. Wick down. That would create a nice bullish divergence if we bounce, but not looking like it's going to bounce here. Looking pretty ruggy. Coming through a big old, holy smokes, 2.5% rip to the downside. Bitcoin's not looking too hot. My God. Coming for this low in here now. So this is our next target for mitigation of a low. If we're going to come lower into this order block down here, can we bounce? That is the question. No trades so far. We'll see if we bounce out of here, but we're going to get naturally a nice bull div in here, okay? This is going to be nice. So patience. We'll see if we bounce out of here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Big rollover for Bitcoin. Doesn't want to stop. Doesn't want to stop. You guys are letting me know if you guys are in the short. Holy balls. Holy balls. You got to have some big cojones to take a long or a short here. Very big cojones, okay? Very volatile. This is why we always suggest you stay out of the news. Okay? People are in the short. People are in the short. I almost pulled the trigger, but I was too scared. Good. Good. It's good to be scared in these situations. It's not it's gambling, right? This is gambling. Let's keep it real and tell you what exactly it is. And that's, thank God, Sniper's Nightmare closed that long, right? But this is not good, man. This is not good. Big, big, dirty rollover here. Coming for this low right now. Okay, this is the next mitigation down in here. Where do I want to open up a position? Right now, nowhere. Big rollover. This is not looking good for the market. Big old dump. Everybody's going to get a little bit puckered after this one. My God. Sinking markets lower. Inflation is hot. 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 Okay? Inflation is hot. Not too good, man. SUI. Oof. NASDAQ. Surviving. Solana. Down. Bitcoin. Last chance to buy. No, I don't know. I don't know. It's not for me to decide. Oh man. What a dump. Okay, so we've come into our green box here. This was a buy level that we had in our Discord. Uh Not good, man. Not good. Like, what else am I supposed to say about this? It's 8:39. No trade yet. We'll see if we do bounce out of here. You want to see some sort of constructive price action. Right now, I'd look for this low to be taken at minimum. We look left confluence, right? So we're going to look to our left and say, hey, where can we come? We have this area in here, right? So we have the low in here that we're right on right now. We have a nice little order block in here that we can come to as well. And then obviously 91,000 down in here. So, woo-wee. I would say at least this gets swept here, minimum. So we could sweep and bounce. Sweep, bounce. But bull div in here eventually. This is still, as crazy as it is, a higher low, right? If you take your stupid trend line and you go like this, look at this. Probably coming to the bottom of this trend line. Bounce out of there. Just a thought. Just a thought. Trading is waiting. This is where you wait. This is definitely where you wait. You don't jump into a trade here. Otherwise, you're going to be a victim. You're going to be a victim because look at the NASDAQ. There you go. Yes. There you go. Look at the... Oh, my God. What do we say about the S&P, guys? Third time's the charm? What do we say? Liquidity. Dump. Liquidity. Dump. Liquidity. Guess what we're getting today? We've been saying this for ever. There it is. Liquidity dump. Coming down, mitigating that low here. Everything's dying. Shout out to those who are in the short. 370 people in here. God bless you guys. Thank you guys for being here, hanging out here, supporting the channel. You guys are incredible. You guys are incredible. I appreciate having you here. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, hanging out. Dave Digital in the chat. What's going on? Glad I got out of that trade. Yep, that's the one. That's the one, Sniper. Don't look like we're getting any bounces here, my friend. Not yet. Not yet. Nasty, nasty, nasty. Okay. No bounce yet. Trying to recover. How high will it go? That is the question. That is the question. V-shaped recovery would be sweet. Wouldn't it? It would be sweet as. Trying to bounce here. No bounce yet. You can't take it off of one candle, right? That's the thing, is you got to be patient. In this situation, patience will prevail as per usual. $8.43. Looking for the bounce off these lows. We'll see if we get it. V-shaped recovery. Going into the 1 minute here. Looking for a continuation. Not sure if we'll get it here. Order block in here. Possible short opportunity. Okay. Coming up to that low right now. The wick test. Perfect little tap on that low. Look at that. Almost perfect. Almost. No trade yet. Still waiting. Could see something like this where it comes back down. Give some people some hopium and then come back down and then go. Typically what happens. It doesn't typically shoot straight up right away. Still waiting here. We'll see if we do have any sort of recovery, but not looking too good here for the Bitcoin price action. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. It's going to be a short one today, friends. I got an appointment in about half an hour, so I'm cutting it close for you guys. So it's a lot easier to cut it close for you guys. Can we come up to VWAP, potential rejection in here? Big old rug this morning. Whew. Bitcoin trying to recover right now. Interesting. Trying to recover here. Pushing up into that order block. Nice little push here. Order block in here, right? My God, look at the market, man. The market just got slapped. So I'm just going to leave you guys with this, okay? So 370 people here. Thank you guys so much. We'll be live tomorrow trading this. No trade here for me. Let this bake. If anything, we're going to get a bull div in here. Okay, so we could bounce out of here. Look at that. Perfect little test into this low. Okay, nice bounce out of here. Maybe 786. Let's take a look quickly. So swing low to swing high. Pull this across. What do we get here? No, not fully. I don't like it. Scammy. We got Jerome Powell today, too. So a whole bunch of nonsense coming at you hot and ready, okay? Nice bounce out of here for Bitcoin. Maybe some of you guys getting long. Off the mitigation of that low. Recovery coming up right now. Who knows? Not for me to decide. What I'm leaving you with is that the 4, we got a little bit of hopium money flow coming back in here. Okay. The 3, trigger wave. 2, trying to push up. Okay. So there's some hopium in the short-term time frames. And then there's the biggest hopium right now is if we get that 12-hour trigger wave. Okay. We want to see that and curving back in. We got VWAP on our side this time. So that could possibly push back up. Right now, we got very bearish news, so everything has rolled over. So be very cautious here as money is coming out on the daily. The 2-day is the hopium that we've been talking about. We got bullish divergence in here. We're looking for this to come into play come Friday into next week, okay? A little bounce out of here, not bad. No trade for me. I would look for it to come up to VWAP and get slapped back down, okay? So be cautious out here. It's always an honor and a privilege hanging out with you guys. We're growing. We're doing it. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much. So much. All of you guys in here. You guys are incredible. I do appreciate having you guys here and hanging out with me. There's nowhere else I'd rather be. Otter gang. Let's go. So thank you guys so much. We'll be back trading. Maybe this evening. Maybe we do a live stream this evening. We'll do some late night trading. How about that? What do you guys think? Maybe? You guys let me know. Thank you guys so much for being here. I will see you guys later on. Bye.
but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto.